Welcome to a daily dose of self-love, a time to connect within and nurture the most important relationship of our whole lives, the relationship with our own inner self. Together, we will tune out the external world and tune inward to develop self-awareness, peace, joy, and love, and move in the direction of our greatest, most best self. You give so much to others all day. This is your time to give to you. Welcome. In today's meditation, we will practice holding more light within our selves. We will release what's not needed, and we will connect with earth and sky energy to fill ourselves with beautiful light energy, cleansing energy. And we do so as a responsibility to our own planet, as a responsibility to the future of humankind. We hold the light for those who are not yet willing or able. And we know that by doing so, we are healing the planet. We are healing ourselves. We are growing, learning, expanding, and becoming more aware in every moment. So we choose this daily practice to continue healing, to continue moving closer to our most authentic self, to be fully self-actualized in this life, to create the lives we truly want. And this is a daily practice. Just as we sweep the floor, brush our teeth, we connect to our source energy. We connect to that space of oneness where we know we are interrelated, we are connected. We know that by improving ourselves, we are improving the world. That 1% movement toward our greatest self is a movement and a change and a shift that can be felt by all. Enjoy your meditation and enjoy your free rights. Let's drop into our guided meditation. Find some beautiful music, light a candle, and just sink into your space, your time, this time of self-love. When you feel ready, you can close your eyes and turn your gaze inward. Notice your breath. Notice your feet. Notice the space beneath your feet, into the layers of earth. Feel yourself connected. Bring your breath into your feet. Bring your breath into the space beneath your feet. Feel yourself breathing with our earth. Pull that breath up from the center of the earth into your hands. Bring your breath to your hands. Feel this earth energy flowing through you into your hands. And if it feels right to you, place your hands somewhere on your physical body. Place your hands on your physical body in a comfortable spot that feels warm and giving to yourself. Breathing with the earth, allow this breath to flow up through you, into your third eye, the space at the center of your forehead, the place of your connection to your intuition. Take a deep breath into your third eye. From the center of the earth, breathe in to your crown, the top of your head. Breathe into the space above your head. Breathe into the space above, as far as you can go, to the source of all that is. And as you breathe in this earth energy through your feet, through all of you, up to the source of all that is, as you exhale, allow this beautiful source energy to flow through you like a waterfall, flowing within you, flowing around you, covering your skin like a warm oil, covering your skin like a waterfall or a shower. And in this moment, we are grounded, rooted, belonging, connected to earth. We are open and reaching and aware and knowing that we are connected to spirits. Feel yourself as this channel of light. Bring to mind all of those people, places, activities, practices, thoughts that help you feel more aligned and connected and filled with light. What makes you feel most alive? Where are you? What are you doing? What makes you feel most at peace? Where are you and what are you doing? Who are you with? In this life, we get to choose. We get to create. We get to witness ourselves and our unfolding. We continue taking small steps toward our most greatest, self-actualized, realized, authentic self. Small steps each day we take in that direction, choosing to sit and breathe, choosing to reflect and write, choosing to be with nourishing people, choosing activities that feel good and nourish our soul. We affirm that we are open to change. We are open to new possibilities. We're open to holding even more light energy. In this moment, become aware of your light energy that lives within you. What does your light energy look like? What turns up the dial? What dampens the flame? we become self-aware and move toward our greatest light. This is our responsibility as spiritual beings. We have a responsibility to receive more light, to be more light, to share more light, to spread more light into the world. And by doing so, we heal ourselves and we heal others. Just by holding more light, we heal others. What is one thing you can let go of in this moment to create space for more light within you? Visualize this thing that you wish to let go of. Visualize this somewhere within you or the space around you. Bring your breath into it. Breathe into this thing. And visualize it being sent down to the earth and cleansed as you exhale. Mother Earth holds this for you. It's no longer your worry or concern. She sends energy back up through you. More space, more light. Visualize that light flowing through you, expanding into your heart, the space around your heart, expanding into your belly, your pelvis, your legs, your feet. Imagine this light spreading, growing, expanding around your chest, your shoulders, your throat, your minds. We choose to hold the light for those who are not yet willing or able. And in doing so, we heal ourselves and we heal our planet. And we say thank you. We are so blessed. When you feel ready, you can open your eyes and move toward your free rights, allowing any words to flow through you onto the paper, your words of wisdom that come from within you. I encourage you to set a timer for at least 8 minutes to have a chance to write, to express, to allow any words that need to flow through you onto the paper, to create new awareness, to solidify what you know, what you've learned, what you are learning, and enjoy the process. See you next time.